In class 11, business studies, our today's topic is types of industries. See, basically, industries are classified in three categories. Broadly, in three categories: primary, secondary, tertiary. So broadly, industries classified in three categories: primary, secondary, tertiary. Then primary also classified in two types: extractive and genetic. And secondary industries, firstly they classified in two categories: manufacturing and construction. First in two types, manufacturing and construction. Then manufacturing classified in four types: ASAP: analytical, synthetical, assembling, processing. Then tertiary industry, which is also known as service industry. Okay, children, so our today's topic is types of industries, and industries classified in three categories: primary, secondary, tertiary. And then primary classified in two types: extractive and genetic. Secondary in two categories: manufacturing and construction. Yes. Then manufacturing also classified in four types: analytical, synthetical, assembling, processing. And then last category is tertiary industries, service sectors, we can say service industries. See, classification of business activities. First is industry. Industry refers to that part of business which is concerned with the production of goods and material which are related with conversion of raw material into finished goods. Then industry is classified in three parts, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Yes. Now next slide. Types of industries. First is primary industry. Primary industry engaged in extracting, reducing and processing natural resources, and it is of two types: extractive and genetic. Now extractive. Extractive industries are engaged in extraction, collection of useful material from the natural resources, earth and sea, mining, fishing, agriculture, quarrying, etc. Then primary industries classified in two types: extractive. But see, from extractive industries, the goods which they produce directly consumed or used as further production for as raw material for other industries. Then primary industries. Second is genetic industry. Genetic industries are engaged in the reproduction or multiplication of plants, animals, see plant nurseries, poultry farming, cattle breeding, all are genetic industries. Then next is secondary industries. Secondary industries are those industries which use the material produced by primary as raw material, then produce finished goods. They are concerned with the materials which have already been produced at the primary stage, like oil refinery. And secondary industries are also of two types: manufacturing and construction industries. Manufacturing industries those who produce goods, convert the raw material into finished goods, and construction industries like construction of roads, buildings, bridges, etc. Then secondary industries. First is manufacturing. See, my dear children, secondary industry, first is manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries are engaged with the conversion of raw material into finished goods. See the slide, cotton into textile, timber into furniture. Okay, so manufacturing industry, one more example, sugar cane, sugar, coconut, oil. So all those industries which convert the raw material into finished goods, which increases the utility of the product. See, you cannot wear cotton. Cotton should be converted into cloth. That will be ultimate final goods or finished goods. Okay, we cannot put sugarcane in our tea. Sugarcane will be converted into sugar, and that sugar is finished goods or final goods that may be used in the cup of tea of yours. Timber into furniture. Yes, see your drawing room. Wood log. Are there a wood log in your drawing room as sofa? No. Wood log, timber converted into furniture. So all the raw materials which are converted into finished goods will be under manufacturing industry. See, then manufacturing industry, they change the form of good, raw material into finished goods. And just now I told you they create utility. See, raw material for cement. Various raw materials are engaged for making cement. So all the raw materials are combined and then one finished product is there, that is cement. Good. Next, manufacturing industries produce consumer goods, industrial goods, capital goods. What are consumer goods? Those goods which are used by ultimate consumers are consumer goods. This is consumer goods. From morning till night, you use many goods like toothpaste. Consumer goods. You use shoes, stationery, pen, bag, uniform. All are consumer goods, means those goods which are used by the ultimate consumer. Then what are industrial goods? Those goods which are used as plant and machinery for industries for further production. For production of consumer goods are known as industrial goods. And capital goods, heavy machinery used for making other consumer goods are capital goods. Now, my dear children, come on the main topic. What are manufacturing industries? What are the types of manufacturing industries? First is analytical, synthetical, assembling, processing. Four types of manufacturing industries. Today I will explain you. First, see, analytical industries. Analyze and separate different elements from the same materials. Separate different materials, different elements from the same material. See, oil refinery. From oil, we can get various different elements. See the slide, petroleum gases, jet fuel, diesel, gasoline, etc. So in simple words, we can say analytical industries means By the one product, we can get various products. By the one product, we can get various products. Single product, various products you can get by one material. Okay, oil refinery is the best example. Then next, synthetical. Second is synthetical industry. Synthetical industry is just opposite of analytical. Various products included to make a new product. So different diagram now. See, this is for analytical. And what about synthetical? Various products make a new product. Various products combine ingredients to make a new product. Cement is produced from lime, silica, magnesia, etc. One more example I can give you. Yes, sweets, milk, sugar, essence, Kaju Katli. Kaju is also the raw material. Then all ingredients combined and then one product is there, that is Kaju Katli. Got it? So what is the difference between analytical and synthetical? Yes, please. In analytical, from one material, various products can be available. Various elements can be available. And in synthetical, various raw material or ingredients are combined to make a new product. Okay. Lime, silica, magnesia, cement is produced with these raw materials. Means various raw materials are combined to make a new product. Then processing industries. P. Processing industries involves successive stages for manufacturing finished products. Paper making process, sugar making process, coconut oil. Coconut oil, they receive the coconut as raw material, then crushing, refining, then final product. So various stages are there. Same paper, see the process. From wood, at the end you will have one paper in your hand. So same for sugar. So those industries which use various processes, various stages, various successive stages to convert the raw material, then finished product. Ultimate usage, that is processing industry. We can give various examples for processing industries. Sugar, paper, coconut oil, and various things are there which are produced in various steps. Like a dress you are wearing. Various steps are there. Okay, so that is processing industry. Then last is A. Assembling industries. See the slide. Assembling industries assembles different components, different parts to make a new product. Car, TV, computer, mobile phone, various items are there which are the example of assembling industries. I am giving you the example of a car. Body, tires, music system, seat cover, glasses, various things are there which are assembled at one place then make a new product. Like computer, laptop, various things are, various components are assembled to make a new useful product, that is known as assembling industries. Then construction industries. Construction industries engaged in the construction of buildings, dams, roads, bridges, etc. They use the products of manufacturing industries and extractive industries also. Yes, construction industries use these machines which are produced by manufacturing industries, raw material which are produced by primary industries. So construction industries, in simple words, those industries which are constructing some buildings, bridges, roads, railway track, etc. Now, tertiary industry. Third, T. Tertiary industry. Tertiary industries are providing support services, support or help, auxiliaries to primary and secondary industries, and it forms part of commerce also. You will study there. And all service activities which are auxiliaries to trade, transport, banking, insurance, warehouses, all are under tertiary industry. See, transportation provide us transport facility, goods from one place to another. Okay, roadways, railways, airways, waterways, various transportation services are helpful or come under tertiary industry. Then banks, without banking system, now the business cannot survive. Even for the online payment, bank accept deposits, bank giving loan, various other services also giving by bank. Then insurance. Insurance is also under tertiary industries. They are minimizing the risk factor. Insurance provides protection. So all are under tertiary industries. So today we completed that part. See all first types of industries, then types of industry. First primary classified into extractive and genetic. Secondary into manufacturing and construction. Very good. Manufacturing also classified analytical, synthetical, processing, assembling, then construction industries, then at the end, tertiary industries. So my dear children, our today's topic was types of industries. Industries have broadly three categories: primary, secondary, tertiary. Then primary classified in two parts, two types: extractive and genetic. Secondary also have two categories: manufacturing and construction. Manufacturing has four types: analytical, synthetical, assembling, processing. Construction industry, then tertiary industry. Tertiary industry means insurance, banking, transportation, communication, warehouses, various things are there. So today we completed types of industries.